every W123 I get that comes into this shop eventually needs to have all 4 door panels pulled off. There's all kinds of things to fix. Window regulators, door locks, check straps, door pulls, plastic that's worn out. So this gets the full treatment. You can see this 300 TD got all 4 door panels removed and everything fixed. We have working door locks, working window regulators, and it's nothing like getting replacement check straps, okay? So that when you open the door, it stays open. Look how nice they close now, fully lubricated, everything. We're talking lubricating all the key points and making sure that every door opens and closes nicely. Look at this. That's the way it should be, and it only happens if you do this service on your own W123.